I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
First, use a data-capable USB cable, like USB-C, Lightning, or USB-A to USB-C that is under 2 meters. Verify your mobile data plan allows tethering and confirms cellular data is turned on. Turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth to force the phone to route internet over USB for a predictable connection. Keep your phone unlocked while you connect so drivers and permissions complete. If the cable is charge only, the computer will not detect the network interface. Connect the phone to the computer and open settings, then network and internet, then hotspot and tethering. Make sure cellular data is active before you enable tethering to avoid connection issues. Toggle USB tethering on while the phone is connected. The computer will detect a new network adapter. On Windows, you may need to install the RRendis driver if the adapter does not appear. On Linux, enable the CDC or RRendis kernel module, or start Modem Manager for auto. On iPhone, enable Personal Hotspot in Settings and tap Allow others to join or connect via Lightning to USB. When you plug into a computer, you will be prompted to trust this computer so the network interface can initialize. If Windows does not show a network, install iTunes or Apple mobile device drivers to register the interface. On Mac OS Open System Settings Network to verify the new USB network is active. If it still fails, restart both devices, change the cable, or contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.